Hi friends. In the last video we covered very clearly what is the meaning of immutability with examples. Now the next thing my recruitment is why immutability concept is required in Python. I will explain. Now I am taking A equal to 10 and B equal to 10, C equal to 10. Do you know who is the responsible for creating an object in Python? It is Python virtual machine PVM. Okay. In this total, how many object will create? A equal to 10, B equal to 10, C equal to 10. Three object, right? Because three value we are giving. No, it is wrong. Python is very intelligent. Listen, PVM will check the object already available or not. If it is available, it will take the existing object only instead of creating a new object. This is object reusability. So in this case, only one object will create, but these three reference variable pointing to the same object reusability. Let me show it. See this A equal to 10, B equal to 10, C equal to 10. Now I am going to check the address of the object address. For A is 6032. For B, same thing. For C also same thing. It will not create a new object. This is the biggest advantage. It will be a object reusability. Okay. So what is the biggest advantages here? Instead of creating three objects, we are creating only one object and reusing the same object. Memory utilization is improved and performance. If memory utilization improved means automatically performance will be improved. It is not only for int. This immutability is applicable for both int, float, bool, string, complex. Okay, I will show you diagrammatically. Here this is an object. Okay, 10. I am creating A, B, C. Three reference variables pointing to same object. Okay, these three A, B, C's pointing same object, so it is a object reusability. Here also some problem is that I will show you. For example, if I want to develop a voter registration application, here we need to fill something like name, father name, mother name, address. Now in address, door number, street, city, district, state, pin code, and our photo need to upload. And after everything, after we complete, we need to click the submit button. Like this is a small voter registration application I am going to execute for you. Okay, this is look like the application. Okay, I just mentioned in diagrammatic. Here assume 1 crore voters in Tamil Nadu. Okay, first voter is registering. My state is Tamil Nadu. Python is creating one object. Now the second voter registering, my state is also Tamil Nadu. So Python will reusable the same object. Likewise, 1 crore users using the same object for state Tamil Nadu. It is the biggest advantage because memory utilization and performance improvement. But the problem is, after some years, the first person saying, my state is changed into Karnataka. The problem here is it will change to all 1 crore persons if one person change. To prevent this problem, immutability is required because in Python there is not this is not the thing going to happen. If a person change, Python will create a new object. It will not reflect the other users. Python have reusable concept, right? But for preventing the problem, like the compulsory immutable concept is required. So fundamental data types are immutability. Are you clear, guys? If you like this video, please click like and subscribe and share to your friends.